What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will share you all how to get a minimal look to your iPhone, give a really cool look, leave some blank spaces on your screen like this here as you can see on the screen. This looks really awesome, and first of all thank you to iDevice Help. He really helped me out in testing this firmware and everything. This is there is a particular amount of people who can enter in this, so thank you to iDevice Help. He shared the link with me, so yeah, and I'm sharing the link with you all in the description, so you can go and check that out. And he have also made the video on this, so yeah, you can go and check his video out too. But he's a great guy, he's a great YouTuber, he is a great iDevice YouTuber, so go ahead and check him out. So this app is called Clear Spaces. Clear Spaces is a really cool app. As you can see, it do not even have the name in the when you will open the app, because it states that it is giving a minimal look to your iPhone. Yeah, now the first thing you have to do is go to wiggle mode, then open the next screen, take a screenshot, and after taking a screenshot, what you have to do is go to the app, particularly a Clear Spaces app, then click on add photos, click on the screenshot you just selected. It is showing success. If it is not showing that, just go and refresh that. Now what you have to do is go to wiggle mode again and then press the plus icon, and after pressing the plus icon, here as you can see, select the widget. After selecting the widget, click on add, and here you can see you got your look for customization. This looks really cool and it was really awesome, and thank you so much iDevice Help for this. Again, sharing you all the all links are in description. You can watch iDevice Help video. He's a really cool guy. So that's it for today's video. If you do end up liking this video, if this video was helpful for you all, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel for latest tech info, because I make these types of video almost every day. And yeah, I'm totally on to the point. I don't want to waste anyone's time. Like, I do not want extra money. I just want you to give information in shortest way possible. So peace out. I'll meet you all in the very next episode.